Humanity has always gazed upward, captivated by the mysteries of the cosmos. From the iconic moment when Neil Armstrong took his first steps on the moon in 1969, to the ongoing exploration of Mars and the outer planets, our journey into space reflects an insatiable curiosity and an enduring spirit of exploration. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, we ask ourselves, what does the future hold for human spaceflight? What innovations and advancements are on the horizon that will shape our destiny among the stars? In the coming years, we can expect revolutionary advancements that will redefine our capabilities in space. These innovations will not only enhance our exploration efforts, but will also deepen our understanding of the universe and our place within it. With collaborative efforts spanning nations and the private sector, the dream of a thriving human presence beyond Earth is becoming increasingly attainable. The sky, once seen as a boundary, is now viewed as a gateway to the stars. First, let's delve into the groundbreaking realm of reusable rocket technology. This concept has completely transformed space travel, drastically reducing costs and making access to space more sustainable. SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Blue Origin's New Shepard have demonstrated the viability of this approach, with successful landings and multiple flights. The next generation of rockets is already in development, featuring advanced materials like carbon composites and enhanced engines designed for reusability. Imagine a future where these rockets can launch multiple times a week, facilitating not only satellite deployments but also crewed missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This increased frequency could usher in a new era of exploration where the logistics of space travel resemble those of commercial aviation, and where the barriers to entry for scientific and commercial endeavors are lowered. Now, let's turn our gaze toward deep space exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the mid-2020s, establishing a sustainable presence on our lunar neighbor. This mission is not just about reliving past glories. It serves as a vital stepping stone for future Mars missions. Utilizing advanced spacecraft like Orion and the Space Launch System, we are preparing to tackle the challenges of interplanetary travel head-on. Engineers are designing sophisticated life support systems capable of recycling air, water, and waste, creating sustainable food production methods, and implementing radiation protection technologies. These innovations are crucial for long-duration missions where the risks of radiation exposure, microgravity effects, and psychological challenges must be managed. The goal is to establish a base on the Moon that serves as a launch point for further exploration, ultimately leading to human missions to Mars, where we will seek to answer fundamental questions about life beyond Earth. As we venture farther into the solar system, the need for sustainable habitats becomes increasingly critical. Innovative designs for lunar bases and Martian colonies are being developed, focusing on in-situ resource utilization. This means using local materials to create essential resources. For instance, lunar regolith can be transformed into building materials for habitats, while water ice found on Mars can be converted into drinking water and oxygen through electrolysis. Concepts like the Lunar Gateway, which will orbit the Moon, will act as a staging point for missions, enabling astronauts to launch to the lunar surface and back safely. On Mars, habitats are envisioned with robust shielding to protect against radiation and extreme temperatures, creating environments where humans can live, work, and thrive. These habitats will be equipped with advanced life support systems that allow for the cultivation of food and the recycling of resources, ensuring the long-term sustainability of human life on other worlds. The potential for these technologies goes beyond survival. They offer a glimpse into the future of human civilization in space. Space tourism is rapidly evolving from a distant dream into an emerging reality. Companies like Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX are making significant strides to offer suborbital and orbital flights to civilians. Picture this: individuals from diverse backgrounds embarking on journeys beyond our atmosphere, experiencing the breathtaking view of Earth from space and the thrill of weightlessness. This industry is not just about thrill-seeking. It has the potential to raise awareness about our planet's fragility. By providing first-hand experiences of Earth's beauty and vulnerability, space tourism can inspire a new generation of environmental stewards. With ongoing advancements in safety protocols and user-friendly spacecraft, we can anticipate a future where space tourism becomes a routine experience, much like commercial air travel, allowing people to become ambassadors for space exploration and conservation. Ensuring the health and safety of astronauts during long-duration missions is paramount to the success of our exploration endeavors. As we send humans farther into space, researchers are diligently developing countermeasures to combat the physical and psychological challenges posed by prolonged space travel. This includes addressing muscle atrophy, bone density loss, and the mental strain of isolation. Advanced exercise equipment specifically designed for microgravity environments, tailored nutrition plans, and even virtual reality environments for psychological support are being integrated into mission planning. Furthermore, telemedicine technologies are being developed to provide real-time medical support, allowing astronauts to receive care from Earth while they are far away. By prioritizing astronaut well-being, we can enhance their performance and ensure the success of our ambitious missions. These innovations also hold potential benefits for healthcare on Earth, as we adapt technologies developed for space to improve medical practices and patient care here at home. Another exciting aspect of the future of human spaceflight lies in international collaboration. The challenges of space exploration are vast and complex, prompting nations to work together in unprecedented ways. Programs like the International Space Station, ISS, have demonstrated the power of cooperation, bringing together scientists, engineers, and astronauts from around the globe to conduct research and share knowledge. As we look toward the Moon, Mars, and beyond, we can expect even more partnerships that combine resources, expertise, and technology to tackle the challenges of deep space exploration. Initiatives such as the Artemis Accords promote collaboration and peaceful exploration, ensuring that the benefits of space exploration are shared among all humanity. This spirit of cooperation not only enhances our capabilities but also fosters peace and unity among nations as we collectively pursue the dream of exploring the cosmos. By working together, we can overcome the limitations of individual nations and create a shared vision for the future of space exploration. In addition to human ingenuity, the role of artificial intelligence and robotics will be pivotal in the future of human spaceflight. Advanced AI systems will assist astronauts in navigation, data analysis, and even decision-making during missions. Robotic explorers will play a crucial role in preparing the way for human arrival, conducting surveys, and building infrastructure on the Moon and Mars before humans set foot. These machines can operate in environments that are too dangerous or inhospitable for humans, gathering valuable data and performing complex tasks. As we develop more sophisticated robotics, the synergy between humans and machines will enhance our capabilities, making space exploration safer and more efficient. The potential applications of AI and robotics extend beyond space, promising advancements in numerous fields on Earth, from disaster response to healthcare and beyond.